How to log in to Bank of America online internet banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to Bank of America online banking account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Bank of America. And now here, once you search for it on the result page, simply click on the first link. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official homepage of Bank of America. Now here in this page, simply click on the user ID on the pop-up menu, and after that, simply enter your bank user ID. And now here, once you're done entering your user ID, simply click on the password field, and after that simply enter your password. And here, if you want it to remember your account, just check the option that says save user ID, and after that you can just click on login, and after that you will be logged into your Bank of America online banking account. And here, just in case if you forget your ID and password, you can just click on forget ID/password, and after that you can just follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to Bank of America online banking account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.